Hi, everyone. I hope everyone is doing well, and welcome to your first week of online learning. Okay, I wanted to give you a quick rundown of your learning opportunities this week. First, you can watch a video I posted about the sun. You can use it to refresh your understanding of main sequence stars. Then you can create a drawing of the layers of the sun. Include what is happening in each layer, as well as what happens when the energy leaves the sun. Feel free to upload your drawing into the doc attached to the post titled Layers of the Sun if you'd like feedback. I also want to draw your attention to the ninth grade science teacher's office hours. I posted our schedule, so if you have any questions, you can reach out to us during that time. But you can also email me at any time, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Have an awesome week, guys.